Today is Sunday, January 26th. This is the 1970 Cadillac DeVille power escutcheon window switches, both the 4-button cluster switch and the single switch for the passenger side. The 4-button cluster switch goes in this escutcheon bezel, and the single power window switch for the passenger side goes in the passenger side escutcheon bezel. So these are completely rebuilt and restored units, and I'm doing a functional validation test connected to 12 volts. Consistent with the battery power, so we're getting 100% full voltage. And when I actuate the power switch, and the light bulb comes on, we see that drops to 0, which means we're getting 100% complete voltage going through the switch, and not any diminished voltage as was the condition of the used units that had about 60% pass-through in voltage. So we have 100% voltage pass-through now on this beautiful reconditioned 1970 6-button cluster switch, and the unit is absolutely beautiful and has been fully validated up and down on all 4 buttons with 100% voltage pass-through, and the same goes for the single switch. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillac, and these units will be going out to my friend Clint as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. Thank you very kindly.